In this video, I just got the TACKlife automatic hose reel, not a sponsored video. I just got it off Amazon, hung it on the wall, and I'll tell you what I think about it. Check it out. We were looking for an easy way to water the ferns on the back porch and water the ferns on the front porch without rolling out a 100-foot hose. So I took a chance, got this off Amazon as a TACKlife automatic hose reel and mounted on the side of the house. And I'll tell you what, I just tried it out and it seems pretty awesome to me. Hey, we'll give it a few weeks and I'll let you know what I think about it. All right, so I just got a package in from Amazon. Let's go check it out and see what we got. You know Murphy's gonna come along too. What we get, Murphy? What is it? All right, so I just got this off Amazon. I have no idea how it's gonna be. It is a self-retracting hose reel, TACKlife. So let's open it up and check it out. Just will open it up right here. All right, so Murphy's helping open this box up. He's doing a horrible job at it. Thank you, Murphy. That's enough, thank you. Thank you, Murphy. All right, let's see what's in the box. Murphy. All right, we got the hose reel. We got the attachment hose, the gun. Looks like wall mounting stuff. Murphy's very interested in the wall mounting supplies. And we have our instructions. It's got a lock and unlock on the side. Right here, we'll check that out in a minute. Stop, Murphy. We got some pretty significant bolts here. The wall mounting plate that Murphy loves. Obviously, I already know in my heart how to hang this, but I'm gonna take a quick look at the instructions. I won't bore you with that nonsense. And then we'll get back and see where we're gonna hang this on the house and we'll see how it works. One thing that right off the bat that I think I wish I would have done was get the bigger hose. This is a pretty small hose here. I think I'm gonna hang it over here, kind of out of the way, maybe. All right, so what I did was I bought a longer hose. I think it's 25 foot, and I'm running around the side of my house, putting it right here on the side of the chimney. I'm eliminating some of my 180 degrees that it can flip back and forth. It's because it can't flip this way, obviously. But we just need to bring it around the back of the house to water plants back there, and then go to the front and water plants up there. And this has a 100-foot hose on it. So we'll see how it does. Always be careful when you're working around your AC units. You don't want to drop anything in there and damage your unit. And I don't know what 12 millimeters is in standard sizes. All right, super easy. 12 millimeters is 1/2 inch, which apparently I do not have. All right, this is what neighbors are for. Call Brian Lanigan, speaker. Stop, Murphy.
Hello.
Hey neighbor, how you doing?
What's up?
Do you have a 1/2-inch drill bit?
I have all the drill bits, sir.
Can I get a 1/2-inch drill bit, sir?
Unbelievable.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Bye. All right, there we go. Sometimes you gotta get stuff from neighbors, and so be it.
Interrupted my steak dinner.
Oh, we're eating? See, neighbors are good for something. Yep. All right, we got our holes drilled out, 1/2 inch or 12 millimeter. Now we'll just hammer the anchors in there and hopefully be good to go. So you will need a socket to do this screw right here. Let's see what size it is. 10 millimeter. I don't want to over tighten it, so we'll see how that does. Could it be that easy? I think it literally is that easy. I'll do something about this extra hose, but I needed to connect this end so that I can connect this. This is the original, I think, 6-foot hose that came with it. Now, one thing I'm not thrilled about is the plastic connector right here that I'm seeing. But we'll see how it works. I never like plastic when it comes to threads. All right, so I think it literally was that easy. Hopefully the AC is not messing up the audio. But it is mounted on there, ready to go. Let's give it a little pull. Oh yeah, I got it locked. Unlock it, give it a pull. Wow, seems cool to me. All right, let's hook the water up to it. So we got this so we could water the ferns on the front porch and the ones on the back porch. So I got this extension from Amazon. Bunch of air in the lines, I'm sure. Maybe a lot of air. Ah, there it is. Look at that. Perfect. Let's try it out.
Either way, it was not going in the right way. The hole just broke off in the hole. Trying to call the Walmart, the one right here on Dallas Highway from Westridge. And the other chair's still here.
All right, it looks like it's working.
And the manager's like, just take a whole box, take a box. And Ryan's like, yeah, but can you take the whole box? Like, we only need this one chair. He's like, take the box. So we had 3 chairs.
So it's working perfect. I'm super happy about this. It was super easy that even I could do it. So I definitely like this thing. Now, one thing I have heard is that in the wintertime, You need to disconnect it and take it off and bring it inside so it doesn't freeze up inside there and it can cause some breakage. From what I've read on the internet, who knows? Now we'll find out how easy does it retract in there. Murphy, you getting some of that water? So Murphy's definitely loving it. Now that's awesome. I'm gonna break in right here. Let's answer the question. Does it have the pressure that I want? I don't know yet, I haven't done it. Now, one thing that I realized is I got the smaller hose. I believe this is a 1/2 inch. So let's see what the smaller 1/2 inch hose can do for us. I'm gonna take this adapter off, which the adapter works well for us because we don't need all that kind of pressure for watering the ferns. But let's see what kind of water pressure comes out of the hose end by itself. And then we'll put the gun that came with it on and see what kind of pressure you get. Let's pull it out. All right, Murphy's gonna be the tester of the water. Turning the water on right now. That's all the water pressure I got. Turned up all the way. It's a smaller stream because I have a smaller hose, but the pressure is not all that bad. I'll try it in a second with the gun that came with it. We'll see how it works. Murphy, what do you think? Is this good enough? You wanna try it? All right, Murphy's unsure about it. I'm gonna turn it off, put the gun on, and we'll see. There's the shower. Yep, Murphy likes that one. Okay, you wanna try this one, Murphy? That's not bad. Soaker's not that good. Cone's pretty good. Murphy, what do you think? That's actually pretty good pressure. Murphy, you done? All right, so I'm actually satisfied with it. I was a little nervous about the smaller hose, but I'm okay with the pressure. If you can find a 100-foot hose that's thicker than this or a bigger diameter, then go for it. But this is good for me. I like it. So, Murphy, what do you think? Murphy likes it too. Okay. So what do I need to do to get the hose put up? Just give it a little tug and then let it pull back. That is it for the video. The TACKlife retractable pivoting hose reel. I'm a big fan of it. I'm probably going to get me a second one for the other side of the house just because I like it. I mean, I personally like the look of it too. So I'm a fan of it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See y'all next time.